Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the workbook open. Now focus the worksheet you will freeze. First, choose the exact boundary, top rows, left columns, or both. Once decided, click the cell immediately below the rows and to the right of the columns you want fixed. This selection defines the split point. Make sure you are on the correct sheet and that headers are visible. If you mispick, you can undo, but for now set the active cell precisely so the freeze anchors where you expect. You will now apply the freeze. From the View tab, open the Freeze Panes dropdown. If you chose a single row or column, pick Freeze Top Row or Freeze First Column. If you selected an active cell, choose Freeze Panes. Excel locks everything above and to the left of that cell so those headers remain visible. Once applied, scroll down and across to verify the lock. If the wrong area is fixed, immediately unfreeze and repeat with the correct active cell selection. Finish by saving the workbook so your frozen panes persist. If the view looks wrong, go back to View and choose Unfreeze Panes, then reselect the proper cell and freeze again. This is the primary fix for most mistakes. Make sure multiple windows or split views aren't interfering, and note that shared workbooks or protected sheets can block freezing, unprotect, or stop sharing if necessary. If panes still won't lock, restart Excel to clear transient UI issues before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.